Hello and welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have Volkswagen Golf 8 and we're going to perform original factory heated seats upgrade. So we'll show you during the process as well and after when it's completed. But to start with, let me show you that how it looks without it. So let's see. Right, so we're in the car and I'll switch it on now for you. And as you can see here, you've got the temperature. So that's the air conditioning. I'm just going to switch it off. But so now in this place here it says off, but there's no feature for the heated seats to switch them on and off, which usually you will have in the corners here. And obviously the seats are missing the heating elements, which is for the base, and for the lower back here it's missing some control modules, wiring and so on. That needs to be all added to the car to give you that feature here. So yeah, well, so we're gonna get this into the workshop and I'll show you during the process and when it's completed. Right, so this is how the car looks stripped down. This is in the middle of the action where we're installing the factory heated seats. So obviously you can see the heated seats are gone, the middle console is gone, half of the dashboard is gone, pretty much just the clocks, the virtual cockpit and the steering wheel is there, everything else disconnected, and that's where all the wiring modules and everything is installed, and then obviously work on the seats, and then everything is put back in, and yeah, and then you've got your fully factory heated seats installed. But this is just to show you the scope of how much needs to be done to the car in order to get this installation completed. So here we have the seat. We already installed the mats on it and they look like this. So we have, let me just show you now. So this is the mat that needs to go into the seats. This is the base, and that's the top of the seat. So we installed already these in this seat, and now we're adding the wiring, and then the rest is happening in the cars. Right, so I'm back in the car now. I've just taken it out from the workshop. We just completed it, and as you can see here already, sorry, let me just delete that. As you can see here already, the icons with the seats for heating has appeared here now, so it's all programmed for the car, and you can select it by just going in there. So obviously the climate control settings come up here, and in the corners now we have the heated seats, and if I press here, goes red and 3 dots, and obviously so that was high, medium and low heating, or switch it off. Same here for the driver, and yeah, and that's it really. So all exactly as from factory, using original parts, fully installed to the factory specification. And as always comes with 3 years warranty. If you're interested in having factory or heated seats installed, just get in touch with us. Go to SatNav Systems /contact us. I'll put the link here in the description, or just email us directly, info@satnavsystems.com, and we will confirm your car compatibility and assist you from there. So yes, thank you very much, and yeah, till the next video. Thank you.